What is going on, traders? Welcome back to a brand new video. In this video, particularly, is going to be an outlook for the week in the markets. We'll go ahead and start with Nas. I have four pairs that I'm looking at this week, or that I've been trading for the past couple of months. And gold specifically, I've been trading since the start of my journey for a couple years. So Nasdaq. What I'm looking for on the Nasdaq is right now we're in the buy zone. So for Nasdaq, I want to see a shift of structure. So I want to see more structure be created and then structure start breaking to the highs if I'm going to look for buys. All right. And I'll look for entry over here to continue the upside. So again, NASDAQ, I need some more structure to form on that. All right. Right now it's in the buy zone. What I'm looking for is for price to start pushing to the upside, start breaking structure at the upside. And eventually I'll look for buys if it wants to buy. Now for sells, price would have to break. Give me a clean break below here, retest, as you see the tool that I have here, to continue to the downside. Sales are not out of the picture, but I'm specifically looking for buys on NASDAQ, all right? Unless I get this huge close down here, the break, and then the retest, and then the push to the downside. All right, now gold. So gold right now is in a range. What I need to buy gold or to sell gold is, in order to buy gold, I need a break above this structure point and then the retest. So I need a clean break above, a retest. I'll start looking for my entry somewhere over there, and then we'll take gold to the upside. Now for sells, I need gold to break back down below here. This is not a valid sell point for me, even though these wicks are very clean. This is not a valid sell point for me for gold. I need gold to break back down here, give me a retest, and I'll start looking for my entry point somewhere around there to continue to the downside. So that's the sells that I'm looking for on gold, or if it wants to buy, I'll look for the break above. GU, I'm specifically looking for sells on GU, the straight sells. So I want price to either retest somewhere over here. That would be very nice to continue to the downside. Or, we go to the 4 hour, I will want price to come over here somewhere to continue the downside. Even though we already got a pretty clean retest, I want one more push the upside before I anticipate GU falling even more than it already has the past couple of weeks. So that's what I'll be looking for in GU. Let me go ahead and mark that. Nope, not that. This is what I needed. Or, so specifically sales on GU. GCAD, I'm also looking for sales on here. Simple. All I'm looking for is retest over here to continue. Oops, retest over here to continue to the downside. That's all I'm looking for on GCAD. There's not much structure on the 4 or 8 hour. Now, if structure starts to form on the 4 and 8 hour, I will potentially start looking for more for sell somewhere down here. If it gives me some more structure down here, maybe you can see this part as structure point, but I need it to be more clear than that. So, yeah. Right now, GCAD, I'm looking for a retest around the 168,700 zone. So, yeah, that is the video for today. Good luck in the markets, guys. And also, I forgot to show you guys the news for this week. We have FOMC this week. So the market might be kind of ugly, especially towards the beginning of the week. Maybe the end of the week, it'll start picking up and start cleaning up. But towards the beginning of the week before FOMC, the market might be a little choppy. You know, I'm hoping it's not, but it might be a little choppy. Monday, no news on the pairs that I trade. Tuesday, we've got some Canadian dollar CPI for Canadian dollars, so I have to watch out for that because I trade GCAD. And that's not important down there. And then Wednesday is when FOMC is at 2 o'clock. So hopefully FOMC doesn't do too much damage. But either way, we're gonna continue to risk. We're gonna continue to risk lightly. All right, we're gonna use proper risk management to make sure that we do not blow any accounts. There's also CPI for GBP. I could have sworn they had CPI last week for GBP, but you know, not my business. GBP, CPI, and let's see the rest of the week. Yikes. Monetary policy, GBP. Unemployment claims again. Could have sworn we had unemployment claims last week for USD. And we got Euro. So pretty heavy news this week. All right. Pretty heavy news this week, guys. Just make sure you guys are very careful in the markets this week, especially because it's pretty heavy news. The markets might be wild. I take back what I said about the markets maybe getting clean towards the end of the week, just because I'm seeing a lot of red folders still. But the most part, I'm hoping it gets clean towards the end of the week. We're going to continue to be patient. If we don't take a trade this week, we don't take a trade. All right. If the markets aren't clean, we are not going to take a trade. But if the markets are clean, damn sure we're taking a trade. All right. Know that for sure. So that is what we have anticipated for the week ahead. Once again, good luck in the markets this week, guys, and make sure you use proper risk management. Stay disciplined and stick to your trading plan. All right. I'll see you guys in the next video.